Hi everyone, Poker Pro Acesup here for PokerNerve. I am really excited to announce the release of our new Bounty Hunter course. This is an online course focusing on PKO tournaments. If you currently play PKO tournaments or want to add PKOs to your tournament schedule, this course is for you. I specifically created this course to help players learn about PKOs, especially transitioning from regular MTTs, as the correct strategy is often very different. So simply using a regular format MTT strategy, but loosening up a bit to account for the bounty rewards, is going to result in a lot of mistakes and missed bounty opportunities. So you really want to be honing your skills, and now is the best time to do just that, so you can gain a huge edge over the field. PKO tournaments represent a huge opportunity since the player pools are so soft. This is due to the combination of recreational players loving PKOs and regulars not having access to the right information to improve their play, because there's very little about PKO tournaments out there, and the information that is available is often misleading, which is great news for those planning to boost their ROI and take advantage of PKO format tournaments by diving into the Bounty Hunter course. There are one or two other PKO courses out there, but what I found is they're full of technical graphs and formulas that don't really help you improve your play when it comes to actually hitting the felt. So the course I created is designed to give you the right information, easily absorbable, including over 100 hand examples, a great way to learn. Information that you can take and instantly implement into your game, leading to you being able to play better than the competition, resulting in more PKO success. When situations come up like this, you'll be ready and know exactly what to do and how to adjust within a few seconds by taking the right approach that we teach in the course. You can see inside the course here, we have several modules teaching you the key aspects of PKO play. Within the first few minutes of the course, we already see why a start bounty is worth 1/3 of a start stack and how to factor that in. Key information that is just the very start of achieving PKO excellence. From there, we continue to equip you with all the knowledge you need with almost 50 professional tutorials that are all designed to help you be ready for PKO action and crush the competition. Learn super quick ways to factor in bounties that you can instantly use in-game, and the key strategic differences compared to regular format MTT play. Things like the importance of using a limping strategy, deep stack isolations, why chip leaders can call crazy wide, when to play very tight, or when we can really loosen up depending on stack distribution and covering stacks, including pre-flop and post-flop adjustments. Bubble play, which is just so different, as well as the ICM effect in PKO tournaments. Changing bounty values as the tournament progresses. Late stage and final table dynamics, all reinforced with quizzes and over 100 hand examples, including all the hands from the PokerStars $530 bounty builder I won, adding to my $109 and $215 bounty builder titles. And I want you to have the same success by completing the course and putting the skills you learn to work the next time you hit the felt ready to crush the competition. There's just so many PKO format tournaments running, and the popularity keeps increasing. You can't afford not to be getting the most out of this highly profitable tournament format. So I hope you'll take advantage of this opportunity, get the skills by taking the course, and joining the team. This was Acesup for PokerNerve. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the first tutorial. Knockout tournaments are the best value MTTs around, if you play them the right way. So be sure to check out PokerNerve's Bounty Hunter course and become the best player at your table. Thanks for watching.